Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute, Tirupati. All right, I'm Sai. So I just want to highlight about the courses offered by our institute. So we provide both online and offline courses for freshers and experienced professionals. So we have all the listed available courses, DevOps, which talks about and which where we gain expertise about building the software development and deployment automation processes, right? And we have cloud computing talking about servers, how they work, how we interact with the servers, how we can host our applications and manage them using different cloud services. So we offer Azure Cloud Administration, AWS Cloud, and also Google Cloud Administration. So we have all these three clouds available right now. So we also have Oracle Cloud, which will be coming soon and joining our deck. So coming to AI, we have the AI master course where it covers a lot many modules like prompt engineering or generative AI or any other modules. So where we focuses on the interest of the student and propose the course accordingly, the required module for the student accordingly, and wherein which will definitely align the interest of the student, and we go further on training the student with the course. So full stack, we have Java and Python full stack. So programming, so Python programming covers the automation expertise, where it helps basically for implementation of automations for different domains like cloud, DevOps, any other, right? So maybe in any administration on anything. So to automate certain stuff, we need Python, which is very feasible and portable now. So we train the Python programming course, which covers automation requirements and fulfill all the real-time automation use cases. So we also cover administration courses for Linux and Windows. We cover networking, where it is covered end-to-end from scratch, and databases, automation and scripting, and C++, Java are available one. So basically highlighting the factors of our institute. So we have 100% job oriented quality training. You can experience that here, and you can feel according to your experience only, right? And we provide hands-on labs and workshops, provide real-time projects helping students to gain practical work experiences, and we offer career placement assistance. It's not a simple assistant program. It includes many other things than listed, like resume building preparation, interview preparation, self-assessment, or career counseling, job placement assistance to help students transition from training to the workforce. Other than this, so you can easily feel that okay, until unless you fit into your job, you are surely accommodated with the technical people over here who drives you until you reach your destination. Yeah. All right, thanks for your time. And this video just highlights about the courses we cover, and yeah, we focuses on quality is assured and delivered. Thanks. This is Sai, signing off from Perseverance Software Training Institute.